Hello Gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my financial abundance binder where I am saving for different sinking funds for the family, the house, different things like that. And I have $80 in prop money. And let's get started. So this is just randomizer style. So I think I'm gonna use my 12-sided die, but as you see in the last video, I did create these randomizer cards. So these are 1 through 12, and then you have, let me see, one of them to say your choice. So you can choose which envelope you want to do. So you can use these instead of the a die. So if you even have just 1 through 6, you can just take out the other numbers, or do you have 1 through 4, you can take out the other numbers. So yeah, you can find these in my Kofi for absolutely free, so go grab it. And a queen on here asks if I could also make them into envelope inserts. So I'm going to work on that and get that up to you on my Kofi for you guys also. So let's get started. Let's see. Let's work through this binder today. Guys, good with that? Can see everything. So let's roll. And we got 11. I just love the sound of the dice. I don't know. So we got first here is Liz and Les. What is this one? Oh, these are the penguins, the party poopers. So let's see how much we are going to put in here. Let's go ahead and let's do the 8. Let's get him on up here. Get him into the party mood. Let's put him on this side of the room today. So $8, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I use prop money because I put this money straight into my high yield savings account. And then if we may need it, it's just easier for me to transfer it back into my personal checking account and get it that way. But while it's in my high yields savings account, it is earning some interest. So I love that. You saving money and making money. So next one is Bookish Mama Budgets. Let's see. We got this one here. This is Let It Snow. Says $50. Let's see. Oop. What is that? A third? Oh, let me do that again. 3. Okay. Let's go 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go over here. 3. So that is a $4. And we're going to go again. So 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a 1. So $5. So $5 is going into that one. Next, we're going to back to 2. Okay. Miss Lindsay wants the money. 4. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. And we just do 1 this time. And that is $1. So $1 going into there. All right, let's see. 1. And this is Budget with Carly. Says $50. 3. Let's go 1, 2, 3. And that is a 5. We stop there. Oh, I had some heavy mail come in. I'm going to have to share with you guys the next video if I remember. 12. 12 is Reynolds budget. Let's see. Let's roll a 6-sided die. 4. So let me get a marker. 4. Yeah, right here. $4. Let's do that again. And a 1. So $5. Perfect. And this is a mystery save. All right, see where are we going next? That's 6. 6 is Reynolds budget again. Okay. And this one is cheers to a bright new year. All right, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that is a 5. So $5. Stop there. Keep going. 11. All right. Let's see. 11 is all. Well, I'm like, where is it at? Back to the penguins. So let's put a hat on this penguin. For each hat is $5, and this challenge says 100. Let's put his hat there for $5. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, sorry about that. That probably wasn't even a quick pause for you guys, but I mean, that probably was a quick pause for you guys, but I had to run and do something real quick. Okay, what was I doing? Did I say the 5? I hope I did. I think I did. Okay. So 3. 3 is stuff and budgets. I'm in love with the cocoa. Says $40. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is a 4. I don't know why I didn't grab the Happy Meal hat. I don't know. So I could did a nice haul for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I don't feel like getting back up. All right, next. Oh, I should have did another one because that was only a 4. Hold on. Let's do another one. Let's do this one. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have. So that's a 5. All right. Okay. Now I feel good about that. So now we're going to, what's that, 6? I think 6 is taking all the money. So let's do 1, 2, 1, 2. $2. And we just gonna do 1 on here since we already played this one once. We almost finished with this one. So 2 buckaroos. And this is, yeah, mystery save. Yeah. So that was Reynolds budget. 4. All right. And then we got Keely's Creation, or Kaylee. I still don't know how to say it. This is 80 plus, mouse 1 through 7. We got some little icons. We got a party hat for 5, and it look like some champagne times 2. Oh, that's where that plus come from. 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm gonna say that's $1. Okay, let's go again. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is a 6. So $7. So So 5, 6. Oh, did I already put $1? So just 6. Okay, look, I'm about to mess up. All right, next 1. And that is budget with Carly. And let's see. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is a 6. Five and 6. Next. 12. Okay. 12 is overthinking is my superpower. Created by Reynolds Budget. And let's see. A 6. Perfect. So let's do 5 and 6. Let's put those 2 5s back and grab a 10. Oops, I meant to put that right there. Okay. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Back to 12. Okay. Let's see. 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Let's see. 3, 4. Okay. Perfect. Let's see. 2. Uh-oh. Money's flying everywhere. Money's flying everywhere. 2. 2 is Bookish Mama Budgets. 3. 1, 2, 3. And that is a 4. Let's put $1 back and grab a 5. I can't believe they talking about snow today. Oh, back to 2. Let's see. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, they talking about a little bit of snow today, which isn't bad for Ohio. I feel like we started off real strong with a lot of snow, and now we haven't got that much. Don't let me speak too soon because here in Ohio, it was snow in late March. All right, so then we got 1 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is a 5. And this is budget with Quali. Okay. Oh, we only got $1 left. We ain't playing no games. We just gonna go right on back here to Reynolds Budget and put that $1 right here because I keep on forgetting to put my dang on, what's the name in this? So $1 right there. Catch-all in here. So this is kind of playing like a catch-all. All right, so let's work our way backwards. So number 12 got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. Why didn't I put that back in here? And then number 11, which is our penguins here, got 5, 10, 11, 12, $13. Dreamy budgets, number 10 to get anything. Oh, so sad. Craft the awareness, we didn't get to play. Number 8, but this budget with Cardi, we didn't get to pay. The humble budgeter, oh my goodness. Number 6 got $5, $6, $7 from Reynolds Budget. 2 more scratches on there. Thrifty Sewers didn't get anything. Keeley Creations got $5, $7. All right, stuff and budget. Got $5, $6, $7, $8, $9 today. Bookish Mama budgets got $5, $10, $11, $12, $13 today. Let's see. Budget with Carly got $5, $10, $15, $16. That is perfect. All right, gems, that is it. That is my financial abundance binder for my sinking funds. All right, I need to go through here and condense these, but thank you so much for your love and support. Be looking out for the envelope inserts for these beautiful queens here. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.